Hey tech crew, GadInsider here with big WhatsApp news. A new drafts filter is coming to help you find unsent messages fast. Say goodbye to lost chats. Ever typed a WhatsApp message but forgot to send it? The new drafts filter will make sure you never lose track again. Ready to stay organized? Keep watching. WhatsApp is cooking up a drafts filter to make your messaging life easier. Right now, unsent messages get a green draft label, but finding them in a sea of chats, especially old ones, can be a pain. Enter the new feature, a dedicated drafts list right in your chats tab, showing all your unsent messages in one spot. No more scrolling through dozens of chats. The best part? It's automatic. The drafts filter pops up as a preset option whenever you have an unsent message. No setup needed. Want to customize? You can add or remove the filter from your chat list settings anytime, giving you full control. It's all about keeping things tidy and making sure those important messages don't get forgotten. This feature is still in development and will roll out to iOS users in a future update, with Android likely to follow. Posts on X were buzzing, saying this could be a game changer for heavy WhatsApp users, from students to professionals. Why is this awesome? The drafts filter is like a personal assistant for your chats, keeping you organized and saving time. Whether you're drafting work messages or personal notes, WhatsApp's making sure nothing slips through the cracks. It's a small tweak with a big impact for anyone glued to their chats. Hyped for WhatsApp's drafts filter? Drop a comment. How would you use it? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.